Morocco frames the Mediterranean and Atlantic with a dual-axis strategy. It preserves its ancient terracotta labyrinths while weaponizing massive industrial pipelines. This strategy is powered by state-of-the-art infrastructure, led by the Al Barak high-speed rail network. This modernity sits alongside a deep historical record. The University of Al-Qarawiyyin in Fez, founded in 859 AD, is the oldest continually operating higher learning institution. This landscape attracts a specific demographic: expats and remote earners holding global hard currencies, seeking to maximize their standard of living through geographic arbitrage. Relocating to Morocco is a calculated financial trade-off. You exchange Western capital for outsized local purchasing power, but you must operate inside a highly regulated, closed financial loop. Social media often packages this environment as a frictionless, low-cost oasis for digital nomads. This chart weighs the reality of that narrative. It pits the immense purchasing power of external revenue against the daily operational friction of a structured bureaucracy. Morocco plots directly in the extreme upper right quadrant. The value is high, but the procedural resistance is equally significant. Extracting that value requires an exact accounting of the hidden street and tech taxes levied on your time and resources. The evaluation starts at Mohammed V International Airport. The immigration baseline is absolute. Your passport must carry 6 months of remaining validity, and you must present a physically printed return flight ticket. Citizens of the United States, Canada, the UK, and the European Union clear this checkpoint with visa-free access valid for 90 days. For other global passports, including Indian nationals, an e-visa portal processes electronic travel authorizations in 24 to 72 hours. Once that 90-day clock expires, the system hardens. Securing permanent residency requires navigating a dense bureaucracy that demands physical proof of external wealth and local tax registration, making a quick pivot nearly impossible. This legal friction makes Morocco a viable destination for seasonal, 90-day sprints, while presenting significant hurdles for those seeking permanent relocation. The reward for navigating that entry is immense real estate arbitrage. $350 to $650 a month secures a modernized apartment or a traditional riad in the central grids of Marrakech or Casablanca. Daily sustenance scales similarly. $3 to $7 covers a massive, traditional, slow-cooked feast. Accessing these prices requires interacting with a strict systemic boundary. The Moroccan dirham is a legally closed currency. The law prohibits exporting or importing large amounts of physical local cash across international borders. The inability to move large amounts of physical cash forces a reliance on digital bank card transactions and local ATM withdrawals, which naturally creates a traceable record for all local spending. The state also levies high logistical import taxes on all external electronics and Western hardware. While organic daily life is inexpensive, attempting to maintain a hardware-heavy, imported Western lifestyle will rapidly erode your geographic arbitrage advantages. Morocco maintains high geopolitical stability. Violent crime targeting foreign communities is rare. At the micro level, major central market squares like Gemma El Fna operate with intense aggressive commerce. High-pressure overcharging, unvetted street guides, and active pickpockets operate continuously in the dense Medina crowds. Beyond the urban centers, the geography fractures. You choose between comfortable Mediterranean coastal zones or extreme interior environments like Ouarzazate, the desert fortress town used as a set for films like Gladiator. Interior summers regularly reach 113 degrees Fahrenheit, while winter nights near the Atlas Mountains approach freezing. The optimal windows to inhabit the mainland are confined to the spring or autumn months. You secure your comfort by timing your arrival to these seasonal windows and maintaining situational awareness in the streets. Morocco possesses a massive industrial footprint, currently controlling over 70% of the planet's proven phosphate reserves. Yet local wages remain suppressed. The 2026 private sector minimum wage hovers near $340 a month, while average professional salaries hit a ceiling around $820. The exception exists for specialized offshore finance directors and tech architects operating on elite contracts inside Casablanca Finance City. Entering the local Moroccan job market as a foreigner guarantees a financial loss. You must cross the border with external capital streams already in place. This matrix maps ROI across 3 expat profiles. The agile remote earner executing 90-day sprints yields maximum value. The hardware-heavy creative produces a negative return. Tech taxes and currency limits neutralize cheap rent. The corporate expat relies entirely on securing a Casablanca finance city contract. Geographic arbitrage is never free. In Morocco, you trade hard currency for purchasing power and pay the difference in bureaucratic friction and daily street vigilance.